Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're in. First, sign into the channel you control and open YouTube Studio on desktop. Once the dashboard loads, make sure you're in the correct channel by checking the avatar. From the left menu, click Content to view videos. You need the video list to change visibility of likes per video or channel level settings. If you don't see content, verify account permissions. You must be an owner or manager to proceed with hiding metrics. Now select the videos whose like count you want hidden. Once selected, click Edit and choose Visibility or More Actions depending on the UI. If hiding likes per video isn't directly listed, set the video to Unlisted or Private to remove public engagement display. For channel-wide control, go to Settings, right arrow Channel, right arrow Advanced Settings to find metric toggles. Make sure to save changes. Keep in mind changing visibility affects discoverability. Finish by saving every change and refreshing the Studio dashboard to confirm the like counts are no longer visible. If you still see likes, clear browser cache or open an incognito window to rule out cached UI. Sometimes the update takes a moment to propagate. If settings are grayed out, check that you have owner or manager permissions. If problems persist, try another browser or relogin, making sure you pick the right channel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.